Stories used to be so simple. We had a beginning, a middle, and an end. But ever since we moved to this awful city, everything's gotten so confused.
Look, I didn't kill anyone.
And I'm supposed to just believe you. Snow. I just want you to be careful. I almost lost you once, and...
I'm not yours to lose. I'm not going to be an errand girl for Crane anymore.
She looks like Holly.
It's not Holly, it's her sister Lily.
She was hooking to pay down debt. Eventually, the only people she owed were at her work. You know, that shithole club, the Puddin' and Pie.
My name is Nerissa.
Well, Nerissa, I've got some questions. The open arms.
Oh my god. What is it?
It's Crane. That motherfucking piece of shit.
Crane? Ugh, God, you think you know a person. Bigby, you have to tell her.
I know.
What's going on? What did you find up there? You know, other than the...
Not now.
I have a right to know. If my
Alter,
wife
bleib
is-
locker, Junge.
Honey.
Junge.
Shit!
Crane's been... Whoa, Bigby, calm down. Everything's going to be fine, okay? It's going to be fine.
Will someone please explain this to me?
Perverted little fucker might be after Snow. I need to find her right now.
Okay, it's going to be okay. Where did you see her last? Did she say where she was going?
She took Holly to the business
gesagt, wo
office
sie
to
hingeht.
prepare for the funeral.
Lily's funeral?
Yeah.
Ja.
How do you know
I was just at the Trip Trap, and I heard Gren telling some folks about a funeral at the Buckingham
the trip
Bridge.
trap? Are you drinking?
When?
Alter.
Right now. They were on their way out.
Bigby! Wait.
What?
Snow's been through a lot. There are things she doesn't talk about. Just please be careful when you tell her.
What are you trying to say?
You know how you felt when you saw that picture? Well, it's going to be much worse for her. Just remember that.
Okay. Ja, hat sie schon recht, ne? Ei, das wird die Buckingham Bridge. 10:28 Uhr abends. So. Warum wird die auf einer Brücke beerdigt? Ah ne, das ist da, wo sie runtergeschmissen worden ist, gell? Okay. Hä, ich höre da was? Ich höre da jemand?
People she trusted and cared for.
Oh, Kloheise.
I won't offend you
Wo
by
ist die
claiming one
Beerdigung
day that
quasi?
the pain of losing Lily will ever subside. I know as well as you that it will never subside.
Nicht unterbrechen. Es ist eine
But I
Beerdigung für die
also know
Angehörige.
that the memory of Lily will sustain as well. And it will, in time,
Opfertisch.
equal in strength to our mourning her loss.
Karte betrachten.
And it is in that spirit that I'd like to talk about what you've
I'll
all
miss
been so
worrying
grateful
about
to share
you.
with me.
I'll miss our
Your memories
fights.
of her.
I'll miss you.
How she could be
Holly.
stubborn and patient, rash and thoughtful. How she carried a torch for the old
Now you
ways,
will never
for
die from
tradition,
indifference
for,
or lead a tedious
pageantry.
life.
And most
Goodbye,
of all,
sweetheart.
it seems
Thanks for
how
everything.
Lily loved,
Vivian.
dearly loved
Eine
her
ist da noch.
friends and family. She loved being around them. in good
You were a
times
big,
and bad.
bright, shining
I never
star
met Lily,
in this
but
shithole of a
what I've been
town.
told,
And I miss you
I know
already.
in my heart
Gran.
that she would have liked to be here tonight. And now we'll have our moment of silence. Thank you.
Okay. Muss ich mal gucken, ich muss halt unbedingt mit Snow reden.
Bigby, is everything okay?
No, not you.
Holly, it's...
He wasn't fucking invited.
Holly, wait.
He has no right to be here. Not after what he did.
Holly, I'm sorry, but I had to come.
You throw my sister down the witching well, and you have the nerve to show your face here? After you lie? After you promise me?
Holly, wait.
Shit.
That was Crane. Just Crane. He disposed of Lily's body before Bigby could do anything about it. I'm telling you the truth.
Don't cover for him.
But this genuinely wasn't his fault.
You can't tell me Bigby gives a shit about this.
Crane's a fucking prick, so this doesn't surprise me.
Hey, what do you know? We actually agree on something.
Holly, Bigby's
Okay.
trying in his own way. And I'm sure he has a very good reason
Oh
for
ja,
being.
den habe ich, den habe
This
ich.
one isn't on him.
Why are you here anyway? And don't say it's because you care about this.
Everything okay?
I'm here to talk to Snow.
Oh, really?
Ah, ich
Yes,
hätte, Mann, ich
this
hätte
is
vielleicht sagen sollen, ne? Nicht letzte Ehre erweisen.
look,
Ja, vielleicht,
Bigby
aber
and
das,
I
ja,
are going to
hm.
have a little chat far away from the ceremony, all right? Look, Holly, I know how this must...
No, you don't know how this must feel. You have no idea. Don't fuck anything up.
Ey,
Don't bother anybody.
ich hätte ja sagen können, dass
When the
Crane der
first
Mörder
sign of
ist.
trouble comes,
Aber
and
das
it will
weiß
come
ich
because
ja
you're a
nicht.
goddamn walking
Wer hat
trap
das
for
Foto
it.
gemacht?
I want you the fuck out of here. You hear me?
I just want to get Lily's killer, Holly, nothing more.
Let's just continue, okay?
This is such total fucking bullshit.
Let's go, Holly. It's your turn to talk.
Der geht garantiert. Ich habe gemeint, der geht hin und heucht sich,
This
aber
better
es
be
ist,
wildly important.
es
It's been
ist
hard enough
verdammt
making a
wichtig.
connection with these people. When you pull this kind of stuff, it just resets the clock.
Lily was Crane's prostitute. I followed a lead to this shithole motel, the Open Arms. Crane had a room there, and he's been taking prostitutes, or at the very least Lily, and making her look like you while he was, you know.
This is... I don't
Yeah.
even know what to say right now.
Yeah.
I really don't. I'm just trying everything I can right now to not picture it. To not picture him. You're sure this is what happened? This is what he's been doing? Because please, Bigby, don't confuse things. Deposing Crane would be the next step. And if we get this wrong, it would mean more than our jobs.
Ich zeige einfach das Foto.
You took a cab here, right?
Mhm.
I'll drive.
Snow,
Narissa? What is it?
I'm sorry, but Holly's asking for you.
Are they starting the burn?
Yes. Everyone who spoke should really be present for this part. She's kind of distraught. You're not leaving yet, are you?
2 minutes. I don't mean to be,
No, I understand.
No, I get
Lass
it.
dir Zeit.
Take your time.
it won't take long.
Ich bleib aber in der Nähe. Hoffe ich doch.
How'd it go? At the motel? Did you find anything? No?
Yeah, Lily was killed there. It was an awful mess.
Oh.
Oh?
I'm sorry.
Oh?
Narissa!
Ja, okay, sie soll da dabei sein.
Coming!
Constable?
Wait, easy now,
Das war so
girl.
klar, dass das einer
You
von
know
denen
how
ist.
this goes.
Das sind
The
sogar
first
beide.
thing in a visit, you say, how do you do? How do you do? That way, it's proper.
What are you doing here?
That is the question, isn't it? Or at
Ja.
least a question. We'll snip to the chase for all
Da
sakes.
zwei Knarre
A little
dabei.
bird told us that you're fitting to go after Crane. And you see, we have an interest in that particular boy. So you leave Crane alone, and we'll leave you alone. Just take a little vacation is all. Don't even have to go anywhere.
Are you working for Crane? Did he send you?
No, see now, you're already asking too many questions. Just pay attention. So what's it gonna be? We have a deal? You leave Crane alone, and we leave you to yours?
Bringt ihr schon
Brother,
Angst?
speak your mind. Fastly now. What's it gonna be?
You think this act you got going scares me? 'Cause it doesn't.
Always wanting to do things the fun way. Ladies, gentlemen, invertebrates, please, rest easy. This is not...
The hell is going on?
What's happening?
Very sorry to impose, but we only had a deal to work out with Bigby. And we're unhappy to report that things did not go as smoothly as planned.
Bigby, what is he talking about?
Never you mind that, it ain't any of your...
What deal? I'm not making any deal with you. So just get the fuck out of here and leave these people alone.
Nah.
Holly, oder? Yep.
What did I say?
Ollie?
Think you motherfuckers could come here uninvited? You think you could just fucking interrupt Lily's funeral?
Calm down, darling. It was just a simple business transaction.
You fucking freaks are not getting away with this.
Holly, don't move.
Ollie, let me handle this.
Yeah, let's spare all the fuss. It's just a
Oh
dead
shit.
I'm gonna kill you!
Holly!
Ollie!
Alter.
I got it, damn.
Kann schon mal gleich vergessen, Kollege. Du. Oh, hoppala, erstmal gucken, dass du nichts dastehst. Anna ist fast so weit. Alter, Scheiße! Shit! Okay, so war das nicht geplant. Ist sie tot? Wow. Jesus, nee. Das fängt schon mal krass an. Okay, guten Tag, ihr Leid. Jesus, nee, ich habe noch gar keine Begrüßung gemacht, gell? Das ist alles so viel. Ui. Okay. Ja, guten Tag, ihr Leid. The Wolf Among Us, Episode 3. Und wir haben so langsame Verdächtiger. Das ist gut, denke ich. Allerdings, ob das wirklich Crane war, es ist er ist auf jeden Fall ein sehr heißer Kandidat. Ne? So, Episode 3. Eine krumme Meile. Was auch immer das ist. Wer ist denn der andere da hin? Bableton Verwaltungsbüro. Das Woodland-Gebäude. 11:43 Uhr
I did as
abends.
well as I could to take out the buckshot, but there's still some shards left embedded in your shoulder.
Ist das der
They'll
Dr.
eventually worm
Swinehart
their
oder wie
way
er
out on their
heißt?
own, but until they do, you're gonna be sore.
Bigby, Dr. Swinehart was appointed
Ja.
Fabletown physician for a reason.
It's okay. There's only one thing you have to take away from all this. Take it easy.
Muss das
Don't go
Geräusch sein,
looking
das
for
ist so
any more
eklig.
fights. Keep strain off your heart.
How's everyone else? They all make it?
They're fine.
Alle?
I had everyone that got wounded sent home. Holly refused to let me see where she lived, so I left her and Grendel back at her bar with a dose of juniper and spring water. They're Titans, Bigby. They'll be fine. Just remember what I said. The stitches won't hold up if you continue to act like you normally do. Everything in moderation. And eat more chicken. Your blood pressure's through the proverbial roof.
Ja, als ob, welche. Ab.
Business office. I know, I'll have to call you back. The town is starting to find out.
Well, I'll leave you two to it then. Miss White? Bigby?
So, to recap,
Crane watched me through the magic mirror uncover his room at the open arms, and then he smashed it so we couldn't use it ourselves to go after him. And we know this because Buffkin was drinking in the rafters. That about cover it?
and once he puts all the pieces back together, it'll be easy to catch Crane. So, I guess that's the plan, currently. But I don't know.
We don't have time to wait for the mirror. Crane could be getting on a train right now.
Well, I don't want to just go running off into the night without some
Ja,
direction.
okay, hat sie halt, ne?
What the hell is going on? I don't know what the Tweedles get out of this. I don't know if Crane sent them. I don't know if... I mean, this is gonna sound crazy, but do you really think Crane did it? Everything points to him. I get it, but do you really think he killed those women? Because it's
Hey,
incomprehensible.
echt jetzt, ich bin mir wirklich nicht sicher,
I'm as
ne?
confused as you are,
Ich
to be
hätte
honest.
so gern, dass das ist.
I don't know.
Ich hätte es wirklich so gern. Aber ich glaube,
make
dass er halt
sense.
einfach nur
He's
ein Perversling
he
ist,
was a
ne?
conniver, a coward, a liar. And I'll always hate him for that. And I'll hate him for how he held me in his thoughts. But murdering prostitutes? Ow! Everything okay over there?
Yes, Miss White. Just cut myself on a piece of the glass. Nothing to worry about.
Thanks for tonight, by the way. That could have gone really terribly. I mean, even worse than it did.
I just feel bad for
Aber
Holly.
ich merke, dass
really.
ich voll der Softie bin, ne?
Yeah.
Ich kann halt der große,
I know,
freundliche Wolf
everything
sein. So ist es ja nett, ne?
At least I hope so, for her sake.
Ja.
Can I, ask you a question?
Ja,
It's kind of
machen
personal.
wir. Okay.
And I don't want to offend you, but after tonight,
Sure.
Oh.
it's just when stuff hits the fan, like it did tonight.
Stuff hits the
It feels
fan.
like before we came to the city. It feels kind of like home. And I've heard it said that maybe in some tiny little bottled up way deep inside, you kind of enjoy it when things go wrong. Because it gives you an excuse to just, stop pretending.
Fuck no, I don't enjoy it. Are you kidding me? It's horrible what happened tonight. I wish it didn't happen.
I shouldn't have said anything. Forget that I did.
Guys? We have a problem.
Da
What is
fehlt
it?
ein Stück.
I can't finish the mirror. It's missing a piece.
What do you
Hä?
mean?
Hat er ein
missing
Stück
a piece?
mitgenommen?
Yes, it's not here.
Hat er
Crane must
mitgenommen.
have taken a shard with him.
Er hat genau gewusst,
Can't
warum.
believe this.
I saw Crane pick something up after he smashed it. I'm sorry, I didn't realize what it was until now.
Well, the mirror can't work unless it's whole.
Well, that's not entirely true.
Bild?
Or what, Buffkin? What?
Kann ich ein Handspiegel
We
draus
sit
bauen?
around and wait until it mends itself? We have no idea how long that will take. We're just gonna have to do this the hard way.
I'm just saying, waiting is an option.
Was
No.
ist denn die harte
What
Tour?
exactly is the hard way?
We'll look through his things, his desk, everything.
Ah, schön,
He had to have
schnüffeln.
left something
Jawohl,
that
ja,
tells us
das
where
macht
he's
Spaß,
going.
das mache ich gern.
He's a neat freak, but he's never
Rumschnüffeln.
that smart.
Smart enough to take a piece of the mirror. We can still solve this ourselves. I know
Never
that.
mind that. Come help me look.
Okay. So. Und geh mal gucken. Also, ehrlich jetzt, was wäre denn die andere Möglichkeit? Wirklich ein Handspiegel? Komm, ich frone einfach. Hey, Buffkin. Buffkin. Was war die andere Möglichkeit?
Hi, Mr. Bigby. I can still help you catch Crane, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. I saw him jump on the telephone before he left. He called up somebody. He said he needed to see his witch, or that he would need to get to the witch for that. Whoever that is.
His witch?
Yes, it sounded like the one he got his snow glamours from.
You didn't see anything else, did you?
No, not especially.
Nicht unbedingt. Was heißt nicht unbedingt? Ey. Komm, es ist nicht deine Schuld.
The whole mirror thing, it's not your fault, all right?
You mean it?
Ja. Abkommen.
I'll just see if I can do anything about this.
Ja.
You do that.
Es ist sinnlos, ihn zu froh, warum er ihn aufgehalten hat. Der hat auf den Ball geguckt, war wahrscheinlich strack wie er immer. Alles klar, soweit. Okay, ich gucke mal, wenn man dann hier fein ist. Ich fange mal da vorne an zu gucken, hä? Achso, da hinten ist es dann nicht vorne. Yes, es läuft mal ein bisschen schneller, Kollege. So, hallo. Ah, lass mich rote, 207. Das sind also sein Massagetermine. Aha.
You still haven't told me what was in there. I want to know. I need to know.
A lot of blood and flowers.
Mehr brauchst du nicht zu
I
wissen.
keep thinking back. I keep replaying moments in my head. Interactions with him when he'd catch me in the elevator or bump into me outside. There's only so much you can repress, you know?
What else is there?
Come on, let's keep looking.
Okay. Ich gehe mal das Schreibsgedönse durchlesen, so. Ichabod Crane. Gibt es Neuigkeiten bezüglich der zusätzlichen finanziellen Mittel, welche ich beantragte? Wie in meinem letzten Brief erwähnt, die Bedingungen könnten einige Verbesserungen gebrauchen. Ich bemerke etwas Unruhe der Bewohner und ich muss zugeben, ich verstehe auch warum. Die Farm sollte keine Bestrafung sein. Ich bin mir sicher, sie sind sehr beschäftigt, aber das sollte Priorität sein. Beste Grüße, Waylon Smith. Wer ist das? Ist das der Betreiber von der Farm oder so? Weiß nicht, vielleicht so irgendwie bisschen... Okay, neuer Brief. Lieber Mr. Ichabod Crane, ich schreibe Ihnen, wiederholt, mit der Bitte, jemand für die Reparatur der Klimaanlage in unserer Wohneinheit zu schicken. Es ist kochend heiß und Pinocchio sagt schon, dass seine Haut splittert. Ich weiß zwar nicht, was das bedeutet, aber ich nehme an, es ist wirklich etwas Ekelhaftes. Ich möchte wirklich, dass das repariert wird. Wie schon vor 3 Monaten angefragt. Stellen Sie wenigstens in der Zwischenzeit einen Ventilator zur Verfügung. Hochachtungsvoll, Boy Blue. Wer ist denn Boy Blue? Pinocchio kenne ich. Sagt mal was. So, was haben wir hier noch? Mr. Crane. Sie haben mir nach dem letzten Vorfall in Wohnung Nummer 204 gesagt, dass Sie für den Putz in meinem Gebäude bezahlen würden. Er fällt von den verfickten Wänden. Bitte reparieren Sie es. Ich kann das Zimmer in diesem Zustand nicht vermieten und ich warte hier schon seit Tagen. Nicht zu erwähnen, dass Sie mir versprochen hatten, dass Sie jemanden schicken würden, um den großen Riss im Glas an der Haustür zu reparieren. Und wissen Sie was? Es ist jetzt sogar schlimmer. Ihre Scheiße steht mir bis zum Hals. Mr. Toad. Schön zu wissen, dass der Mr. Toad nicht nur zu mir genauso ist, wie er ist, sondern einfach zu jedem. Ach, ein fröhliches Kerlchen.
Ever do any work?
Only when Cole was around.
Wer ist Cole? Ist das Bluebeard? So, dann Schublade natürlich, ne? Bestimmt abgeschlossen. Oh ne, sie ist auf. Ist nicht auf, jetzt ist auf. Optical Condemned of Authorized Articles, was war Ding? Office of Business Affairs, Repairs, was? Cloaked King
There's
of...
a page here that was torn out.
Oh yeah?
Irgendein König.
Buffkin, do you know what was here?
Mal gucken.
It's a ring, at least. Every magical item not retained in the armory is assigned to someone in Fabletown. It must be this witch he is going to see.
Wait, what witch?
Buffkin overheard Crane set up a meeting with a witch.
Well, yes, it sounded like the one he got his, glamours from. It must be about this ring.
Why not mention this before?
No one asked me.
Buffkin!
And I'm
Buffkin.
hungover. I'm sorry. They set the meeting at 2 a.m. tonight.
What's going on? Is the mirror fixed yet?
Bluebeard, this isn't the time.
Is the mirror fixed or isn't it? You
I
called me to...
called just to see if you knew where Crane could be, and that was it, okay? And I'm sorry I said anything more than that.
Well, you did, and I know. The cat's out of the bag. So, can we find the dull pervert or not?
No, it can't be fixed. It's missing a piece.
This is none of Bluebeard's business, Bigby.
None of my business? Crane's the murderer. He escaped. It seems he spoiled your every attempt at locating him. And now it's none of my business?
We don't know if he's the murderer.
Oh, please. Of course he is.
Look, this just isn't the time. He took a piece of the mirror, so we can't use it.
The only thing we know is that Crane's going to see a witch at 2 o'clock.
AM or PM?
AM.
Listen,
Points.
Bluebeard, you're not a part of this.
I don't think you're in any position to turn away help.
You're not needed here.
Just ignore him.
Ignore me?
Look, we know that Crane is going to see a witch, and it's to acquire a magic ring.
What's the ring?
We don't know what it does or who it's assigned to since Crane tore its page out of the book.
This farce was your ridiculous idea for a plan.
Alter, das ist...
I mean, who put you in charge in the first place?
Fixing the mirror was the most logical
You're a
thing.
secretary. He's the sheriff. And none of you were chosen to run this office.
Ja, du
Who
aber auch
elected you
nicht.
to make these decisions?
Nobody, but that
Who
doesn't...
elected her to spend my money?
Well, I've been doing that unofficially for years now.
Unofficially is not officially.
I'm heading up the investigation, okay, Bluebeard? That makes this a moot point.
And somebody needs to run the business office while he does so.
Well then, excuse me for having the Commonwealth in mind.
Das ist ein Depp, hey.
All right, let's just look on the bright side. We know Crane is going to see the witch that's been supplying him black market glamours.
Thanks to me.
And that he'll be there at 2. So that gives us a few short hours to find out who it is and where they live and get them all at once.
And a few shorter hours, the more you babble about it.
We haven't been the ones babbling.
2 a.m. Piece of cake.
Since Lily used the glamours, she'd have known who the witch was. And I don't think Holly's burned her things yet. It would probably have the address or a phone number or something.
And Bigby is free to go there if he likes. But I think the question you should be asking is just what do the 2 Tweedles know about this?
It doesn't matter what they know. After tonight, they'd never go to their office.
They're not smart enough to try and go anywhere
The
else.
Trip Trap is the better option to track the witch down. That has to be our focus.
If Holly has Lily's things, that'd probably be the safer bet.
I don't really care what you 2 do. I'm going to his apartment.
What? You can't just go up there.
And why the hell not?
We already looked for the key, remember? I don't know where it is.
Then I'll pick the blasted lock! I've wasted enough time waiting for the mirror to find him. I won't waste any more.
You just can't go up there alone, all right?
I've no interest in nicking his drapes, my dear, if that's what concerns you.
What concerns me is you traipsing through possible evidence.
Oh, now it's evidence. Before you had no interest, and now it's a crime scene.
Bluebeard, just stay out of it, all right? You'll just mess things up further.
I can't get any more.
Das ist mein
stuff.
freundliches,
We
was
have
ich
to
kriegen
find the
konnte.
witch, Bluebeard, since that's
was
where
ich
he's
ihm
going.
Geben
Or
konnte,
the
ne?
sniveling weasel chickened out. Never went anywhere. And is upstairs right now in his pitiful penthouse, crafting a fort out of couch cushions. Look, this is how a
Wäre vielleicht
smart
sogar
person
möglich.
would do it. So this is how we're going to do it. Wherever you go, I'll go to the other.
I don't like you going anywhere unsupervised. He's up to something. I don't know what it is, but we don't have the time to really worry about it now. Where are you gonna go, Bigby?
Okay, er geht dann genau ins andere Ding hin. Okay, jetzt findet die Hexe, ne? Jetzt muss ich wieder überlegen hier. 3 Orte, wo ich hingehen
So
könnte.
you leave Crane alone, and we'll leave you alone.
I'd love to join you, but there's some business I need to attend to.
Gehe ich zu ihm ins Haus? Gehe ich zu der Watteldies oder wie sie heißt?
Dealing with things
Oder gehe ich
alone.
zu Lilly?
I don't need sympathy and I don't need charity.
Ah, das ist aber wirklich, ne? Cranes Wohnung, Hollys Bar oder Dies Büro? Also das... Ich glaube, dass die Watteldies, dass die eher was mit dem Zuhälter dort zu tun haben, nicht direkt mit Crane. Crane ist aber ein Feischling, ne? Er könnte sehr wohl einfach in seiner Wohnung hucke und warte. Aber er ist auch nicht doof. Holly hat so ziemlich... Ich gehe zu Hollys Bar.
No, I'm better off dealing with things alone. I don't need sympathy and I don't need charity.
I'd love to join you, but there's some business I need to attend to.
So you leave Crane alone, and we'll leave you alone.
Alter.
You and all your acquaintances.
Die haben ein Büro? Das ist fucking Kacke, hey, Alter. Oh, ich bräuchte so Abstimmung oder sowas, keine Ahnung. Shit on it, ich geh zu
Witch's
Holly.
identity must be with Lily's stuff. I should go see Holly first.
Perfect. And I'll go to Crane's apartment.
I'll check in with you later.
Ich hoffe, dass du es nicht so, du Watteldies gehst.
I hope you know what you're doing.
So. Okay. Also, wieder mal in die Trip-Trap-Bar. Noch 1 Stunde 22 Minuten. Geschlossen.
She's asleep, you fucking idiot. I need to talk to Holly.
Ach so, du. Sieht man was. Grant, bist du besoffen?
Woody, it's the sheriff.
Ey, Schlag. Jetzt mach ich jetzt weiter drin.
Come on in.
Die sind aber sowas von hackedicht, hey. Der hat mir ordentlich die Kurvenschuhe an.
What? He's a traveler. A weary traveler in search of some hospitality, right? Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Okay.
I want a drink. Anybody else
Ey,
want a
die
drink?
saufen jetzt aber nicht irgendwie die Drinks von der Holly leer, oder?
You think I give a fuck what that fucking guy says? Or what you say? Gren, really, you shouldn't drink right now. I can't hear you when you mumble.
Ja, ich war zu spät.
Holly's asleep in back, but you won't be able to wake her.
Really?
Warum nicht?
The doc gave them both Barmecidal ambrosia.
Illusionsbeifuß,
The
okay.
deal is, if you resist going to sleep, like I am right now, it gives you a very, very,
Ach, weil er
very
Quaaludes
nice
gefressen.
high.
Ja, geil.
And he said that he shouldn't mix it with alcohol.
Ja, was er gesagt hat. Okay, dann... Shit,
Yes,
dann muss
he
ich jetzt
did.
ihr Sache durchwühlen, oder
Certainly
was?
did. But let me tell you something. I haven't felt this good in a long time, fat boy. Have you seen her sister's things? What wasn't burned at the funeral? I saw her come in with something, but I didn't see where she put it. Nope, haven't seen it.
Das sauft gerade die Bar leer.
Funeral back there? That was a shitty fucking send-off for a pretty okay lady. Yeah. You weren't fucking there. Talking to Bigby now, okay? Can't say you being there helped things much. Gren, don't start nothing. Who's starting anything? I'm not. Right now I couldn't give a shit what you think.
Ja, so wollte ich es jetzt nicht sagen.
No.
Ah,
Well,
okay.
I can tell. Whatever. It's alright. I'm too out of it to get into it.
Too out of it to get into.
I
Ah,
wanna
nicht schlecht.
clear
Gefällt
the
mir.
air. We're all in this dung heap of a fucking shit town together. And we're all gonna have a toast. All of us. Fellas, I'm here for one thing. To look through Lily's belongings and get out of here. Now, yeah, I know. And I want to help you, okay? And I will. But first, indulge me. It'll take 2 seconds.
Okay,
As a
was wieder?
show of good faith. And after, we'll all hunt and peck for Lily's
Okay,
shit
was
or
war
whatever.
Wunsch, hat er?
Grand Bigby didn't come here to get loaded.
Ach so,
with you.
I
hab
don't wanna
komm.
get
Den
loaded
gerne.
with him.
Die helfen mal Suche. Außerdem, ey, der ist in Ordnung. Ja, er ist,
The dead.
ne? Arsch, aber ich glaube, dass er ein gutes Herz hat. So irgendwie, wenn er verstehen, was ich meine, weißt du?
Help me.
Was ist denn jetzt los?
Gran, the
Doc said you needed a rest.
How many times you fucking gonna warn me about it, huh? You're not my fucking mother, so just get off my back!
Yes, ist
I said I was sorry, alright? I can't do anything about it, it's done!
Alter, jetzt glauben sich die zwei, sagen wir, sind die dumm oder was? Yes, das ne. Ihr Dipscher haben gesagt, ihr helfen mir beim Suchen. Was ist euer Problem?
What is the problem here? What stupid shit will you both not let go of?
Aber echt,
Oh, I
hey.
forgot. You haven't heard the news. This walking lard cake was paying Holly's sister to let him fuck her behind all of our backs. And Holly had to find out going through all of her sister's shit. What fun that must have been. Trick after trick of this fat ass and Lily.
I didn't plan for that, alright? And our thing, whatever it wasn't a big deal. It wasn't. I never fucked her when she was snowing. I didn't know nothing about that.
No, but you knew Holly would flip out. And you knew for a damn good fucking reason.
You know what? Fuck this. I don't need this shit.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Es
Now
ist
you're
ohne Scheiß, das ist das Gescheiteste, was er gerade machen kann. Einfach, okay, du hast Scheiße gebaut,
What do you think about this
wenn du
fucking
da
loser,
bleibst,
Sheriff?
wird's
He
noch
can
schlimmer.
think whatever he wants. I don't give a shit. Just
Mutti,
get out of here, Woody.
guck, dass du abkommst, einfach. Sorry. Also im Sinne von, Mann, ich hab halt gemeint, ey, guck, dass du wegkommst, dass ich die zwei Dipscher da getrennt kriege. So war das eigentlich geplant. Ja, super, jetzt hat das natürlich einen falschen Hals gekriegt. Okay.
I don't know where Lily's shit is. Check Holly's room, I don't know. But I wouldn't wake her if I were you. Sleepwalkers and trolls. I think that's the rule.
I thought you said you would help me look.
Actually, Big B, if you'll excuse me, it seems that I'm gonna pass out. What a day. Am I right, Sheriff? What a fucking day.
Boom. Gren wird sich nicht daran erinnern. Schön, 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 schön. Das gefällt mir. Okay, du leidst und pennt. Pennt die da wirklich oder hat die halt, also ist das ihr Haus? Okay. Nee, das kann nicht ihr Haus sein. Was ist das? Bierfass da? Ohne ist was. Möchtest du kitzeln oder was? Berühren, reden? Ja, ihr Leid. So viel dann zu der ersten Folge von der dritten Episode Wolf Among Us. Ich würde mal sagen, morgen machen wir weiter und dann tun wir so leis und unauffällig, wie ein großer böser Wolf halt kann, das Zimmer durchsuchen. Ich hoffe, das klappt einigermaßen. Aller Hopp dann. Bis morgen, ne? Und tschüss.